E hoa mā, te rautaki reo Māori a Peter Sharples, this new Māori language strategy that Peter Sharples has been pushing over the last few months. Te hira, kei te tautoko koe I taua rautaki?
Me tautoko ki te kore au. Ki te kore au e tautoko e kore au e whai. Moenga e tōku whai. Heoi anō rā. Te maurau taku pōtai, kua hau te waha kōrero mo te taitoke rau. Kua roa mātau e wānanga ana me ngā hautipua, ngā taniwha o roto o te whare o ngā puhi atu ki te hiku o te ika, e rongo ana I tā rātau kaha tautoko. Nā reira, kai te kōroai mo te whakahokitanga mai o te mana o te Māori ki ngā rawa, āraue minei ki ngā iwi, ki ngā hapu.
Chris, Nanaia said that Labour will make Māori language compulsory. That must sound quite a good idea to you?
Well, actually, I'm quite surprised because she said that's always been their policy, and to be honest, they were in government for many, many years when they were racking up some pretty big surpluses, and if they wanted to make it compulsory then, because people have been crying for this for decades, they would have done it. This is electioneering, and I wonder what David Cunliffe thinks about that.
E tautoko kaha nia. Tautoko kaha I au te tauira a Pita, tuarua te tū a te pāti Māori I runga tō tātou reo. Me ki pēni te kōrero. E noho anau I roto te taone nui o tāmaki mākau rau, kei te tautoko au mana hāpuri kato e whakakau I runga tō tātou reo rangatira. Kei reira nā kōrero.
Okay, let's talk about the seats that you guys are competing in now. You're in te taitokerau te hira. He mahuri tōtara koe e tītaha atu ana ki te tōtara haimata kia hone harawira. It's going to be very difficult to take down hone in the taitokerau. But kai a koe rānei ngā toki, ai toki I hoi tērā tōtara haimatara?
Ai me taku toki paunamu. Look, at the end of the day, I'm representing the new generation. Those aged between 18 and 39 make up just under 50% of our voting population. So if I'm willing, I'm out there, I'm putting my hand up and telling our people, you know, wake up for taitokerau from te hiku o te ika, come down to us in West Auckland, and I'm thanking all my door knockers this morning. Kia kaha koutou. It's a fresh new look. Ka pū te ruha, kua hao te rangatai.
And te tai hau auru, Chris, you know, you've got big shoes to fill there with Tariana stepping down and you taking her place. She's been one of the most experienced and most successful Māori politicians that we've ever had. Hea tō rautaki e hoa e riro ai a koe taua tūru?
Well, firstly, I'll never fill her shoes, and I don't look good in pumps anyway, so I'll stick with my gumboots. And, you know, the reality is that Pete and Tari built this party, started it, set the foundation, but actually if you don't have a fresh, vibrant group of people who are now going to grab what they've started and take it in a new direction, then we're going to stagnate. So I'm proud to be part of this team, and you know, to be blunt, you vote for National or Labour, you're going to probably be right half the time and be in government half the time. You vote for the Māori Party, you vote for us, we'll be in government almost every time. That's what you're getting with us.
And it's quite a big call for you to go into politics because you're a pretty steady job there as head of Ngāti Raukaua Settlements Trust. Why make such a big call like this? I mean, you probably took a bit of a pay cut too, did you?
Don't want to say so, you know, everyone might start rushing to tokoro to get a job. But look, to be honest, I've followed Tariana ever since she crossed the floor. I thought that was an act of amazing integrity, really seen amongst politicians, and I've followed her since. I felt that over the last couple of years I hadn't done much to support the Māori Party and a Māori voice in Parliament, so I went down there and, you know, every now and again, you've just got to put your hand up and do what you believe in. I believe in this. I believe, like the other gentleman sitting next to me, we've dedicated our lives to the advancement of Māoridom. And, you know, this is just one aspect of it.
And tāmaki makaurau, kai roto kei te kapu o tō ringa te tūru o ka tāmaki makaurau?
Tūturu taku pūmau ki te tōrangpū pāti Māori, ki nā tauira tāku ta Peter Sharples rao ko Tariana, pēnei taku ho waku hone. Hoi no, tāku e tino tūturu ana ki te kawe tonu nā kaupapa pēnei te whānau ora. Te auahi kore, te tupika kore, 2025, tā wā Tariana tērā. Wā Pita ko te whare ora nā aki, i roto tātou whare here here. Tērā kaupapa te māra kāri, wērā kaupapa, tā te ururo ko te mate peti. Kei te hia katau te kawe atu wērā nā kaupapa kauru ana.
Now, you can all answer this question, but Māori Party's come under huge criticism for being at the table with National. You know, a lot of our Māori voters aren't, you know, that keen on that sort of arrangement there. But what are some of the significant gains that the Māori Party has made over the past 3 to 6 years?
Yeah. Everyone wants to talk about what the gains are, but I'll talk about the opposite. And people should bear this in mind. Without the Māori Party being there with National, can you imagine what National and ACT would have done to the country and what they may do next time around. Actually, one of our biggest strengths that people will have no idea about is the stuff that we temper, how bad the welfare reforms might have been if we aren't there, how anything aspirational for Māori in budgets would completely be lost with no strong Māori voice pushing it.
The Māori Party ensured that the Māori seats were held because National wanted to get rid of them. When the Māori Party went to the table, it ensured the holding of the Māori seats.
Anything there, Tita?
Hei te oti ngāke, ko mātau ana he te pupuruna e mauna i te reo Māori take tūturu, kāre he pakupatanga ki etahi rōputoranga pū iti, he mau pūmau i a mātau te āheinga ki te mahitahi, me te rōpū kei te taha katau, me te rōpū kei te taha Māori.
Been absolutely awesome listening to you guys this morning. Me o koutou whakaaro, tino rangatira rawa atu. Thank you very much for coming in. We appreciate your time and best of luck for the election coming up. I'm sure we'll be speaking again before then, but tēnā koutou katoa.